Hello, and welcome to the How to Succeed in Business and Health channel. I have a few updates that I would like to give you regarding my BBC Global. This morning I awoke to an email, and it's really good news. It says you are upgraded to a 7-star status for 10 days. Now, with the 7-star status, you get 25% in commissions. It says you earn 25% on all sales. Now, here is the link to the latest webinar that will be in the description. But it's really it's an interesting update because just for the next 10 days or so, you're upgraded to a 7-star, provided you have a position a package purchased in my BBC Global. So let's go there now, and I can elaborate a little bit more on their packages. Okay, for clarity, you start off with diamond packages beginning at $100. Then you have your star packages, and the star packages, the most you can come in is $100,000, and that is star 7. So to be upgraded to a star 7 is amazing. 25% commission anytime a package is purchased for the next 10 days. I want to give you a visual on that. Okay, so here are the packages. You have your diamond package for 100, and then you have your star builder packages beginning at 500. This is the one that I purchased, and my BBC was doubled. So instead of 500 BBC, I have 1,000, close to 1,200 BBC. Okay, and that is through Alterdice. That link will also be in the description. It is the exchange, the primary exchange, the only exchange that my BBC Global is affiliated with. But with the update, the star packages, this is the 7-star. You come in at $100,000. So if you come in, pardon me, if you get someone to make a purchase of the 7-star package, you get the 25% commission. That 25% commission, even if you've come in on any of these levels here. So just for the next 10 days, you get the 25% commission because you're upgraded to a 7-star package. That is amazing. And with the 7-star package, you get 25% commissions on all of these. So it's not just if someone buys 100,000. I'm giving you the maximum package. But 7-star package means that you've already all of these will be filled in. For instance, I'm a 1-star package, but the diamond is filled. The second diamond package, the third diamond package, the 1-star package. So if you come in at the 7-star package, all of these tiers will be filled for the next 10 days, 25%. If anyone makes a purchase, you get 25% on 1 diamond package, 1 star, 3-star, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so wanted to share that you have 10 days to do that. One thing I also noticed is this right here. They have changed a little bit the direct navigation link. They give you your sponsored users, top performers, rank advancement, direct commissions. This is probably your messaging, your wallet, support. Yeah. And this is probably the bonuses, the BCC awards and BBC awards. And those are the travel dollars. That's where, let's go there. Let's go there so I can show you better than I tell you. So this is the bonus tab. You have your BBC Global Travel Dollars Redemption Portal. So far, I have 1,050 in current travel dollars, and it gives you discounts on travel packages to hotels across the country, over 600,000 worldwide across the globe. All right. So that's what that tab will do. Um, Share this update. Some people are very good at marketing, and knowing that you can come in even at your $100 diamond level, be upgraded instantly to a 7-star level, you can make those commissions and then purchase other levels. And keep in mind, up until May 1st, you'll be able to double your BBC. So if you come in at $100, which is the smallest package, um, that'll be turned into 200 BBC. Okay. So really good stuff here. Really good stuff here. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Not really. Just remember that the countdown to double your BBC ends May 1st. You have 66, almost 66 and a half days remaining. So get the word out. If you feel like upgrading your package, do so. Eventually, I will hit the 7-star package, and I'll definitely leave documentation on that. Okay. But if you want to sign up and register, it's by invitation only. And mine is baldwinbitcoin.mybbc.iglobal.io. So this was the update for today. I look forward to providing you with more updated information, and I will talk to you soon and talk to you shortly. Um, let's see. Just want to make sure I'm not forgetting anything, and I'm not. All right. Talk to you soon and have a good day.